Hello guys, Rafiq is here from USOF. Now I wanna explain about Badaso menu management. Here, you can manage or adjust the menus and its items. Okay, let's go to menu management menu. Here you can see the list of menu, and as we can see, there's two checkboxes on each menu. This is admin menu. You can see admin menu here on your sidebar, and core menu right here. Here you can see the list of menu, and as we can see, there are two checkboxes on each menu. They are show header menu and expand. All of them were checked by default. So what will happen if we try to uncheck the show header menu of the core menu? As you can see, the core menu header disappear. You maybe can uncheck this option if you just only have a little menu or submenu. But if you have many menus on your sidebar and it makes it difficult to find a menu, just check that box or let it default. Okay. For the expand checkbox, let's try to uncheck it. And refresh the page. Okay, you may see your menu is not expanded by default, and you must click at core menu and see the submenu or items of it. Okay, for editing the menu, you can click the three dots on the right of the menu and then click edit. And you can fill the menu key and display name and menu icon. Okay, let's try to edit the display name. We can fill it. You can add test or test for the display name and click save. It's changed to core test, right? Okay. For delete the menu, you can click the three dots on the right again and click delete. Because we don't want to do it, you don't need to click accept. Just cancel it. Okay, let's move to the admin menu and click the three dots on the right, select manage items. On this page, you will see the items or submenu of the admin menu that you can see at your sidebar. We can adjust the position of each item. Let's try to move the food categories to below foods. Okay, you can see the change right here. We can drag it up again. And then food categories is positioned on above foods. Okay. Furthermore, you may drag the menu to the right. It can be used to make your menu to be a child of the item that is positioned above your dragged menu. You can see the change on your sidebar. The parent will be a drop down instead of a link. So please make sure your parent item doesn't contain any link. Okay, we'll move it again. If you want to edit an item, just click the three dots on the right and then select edit. The edit form will show up and you can fill the title of your items, URL, target, this tab or new tab, icon, and color. Let's try to rename. I want to rename food test, for example. Then click edit button. As you can see, the food item has changed into food test name. For delete an item, click the three dots on the right, then click delete. Make sure the item that you will delete is not a parent item, because if you delete a parent item, then the child item is deleted too. Okay? Because we don't want to do it, just cancel it. Okay, that's it for Badaso menu management. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video.